everyone, welcome back to my channel. I was able to get up enough energy to do this voiceover. Anyway, I hope you're all doing well. Today I wanted to go over the profiles, Backstage, and all the goodies that they have. This is their acrylic bundle, and we're going to go through this in a minute. This is their Pasties Album. This is so worth it, and it's like 16 bucks, and you get a cute pack of stickers with it. But what I love most about it is how durable it is and how it holds all of my decals that I purchase. And let me tell you, Profiles Backstage has a ton of decals, all different types. They have a dollar nail art. It's one of the companies that I started out with when I got back into doing, nails. So I absolutely love this company. The customer service is wonderful. It's just terrific. But when I first got back into nails, one of the things I started out with was their acrylic bundle. I believe this sells for $79.95. I will link it down below. This is a awesome starter kit if you're just starting out with acrylics, or you want to get into nails, or you're going to school, or you're just a nail enthusiast. As you can see, you get a ton of stuff with this kit. They did update it a little bit compared to the one that I had, and they have added extra goodies. So sorry about the lighting. It's not really picking up on the bottle, but that is their Kicking Glass High Shine Hard Gel Top Coat. This is definitely one of my go-to top coats. I always try to keep it in stock. So moving right along, there's so many goodies in this bundle. I kid you not. It's just crazy. So you get a 2.5 ounce, I believe it is, the velvet oil, which it doesn't leave your fingers greasy. It's such a nice oil and smells amazing. They also include their Sculpt It Like It's Hot size 10 acrylic brush. I started out with this brush. I love this brush. I still have my original one. And then they also send you these two brushes. Now in the original kit, I got like a kabuki, but I like these better. So it's like a dust brush and then like a little brush. So you could use that for whatever. This really amazed me. So they really upped their game with their dap and dish. This is so beautiful. I didn't want to open it because it's like really sealed. When I got my kit, that's the dap and dish that came with it. So you can see they really upped their game with some of the stuff in the kit. And this dap and dish is absolutely adorable. Next up in the kit, we have the Pro Fix Bonder. Again, I'm sorry it's not showing in the light for some reason. It's not reflecting, but that is their primer, the Pro Fix Bonder. That also works amazing. And then you have your forms. I like these because I don't really sculpt real long nails, but these are perfect for me. And again, if you're starting out and you're just practicing with your sculpting. Then you have your little powders. These are adorable, and they are the Flawless Acrylic Powders. And the colors are clear, white, bombshell, and I think they added another one. I'm not sure of the color. I didn't want to open these because this kit is going to be in a giveaway. When I reach 1,000 subscribers, I am giving away this kit, and I am so excited, and I cannot wait for the person to receive this because these products are top-notch. And not only that, they're very affordable, and their customer service is amazing. Their liquid is great, it's low odor, and it's just a terrific starter kit. So I also wanted to talk about the Flash Cure. Now, I did mention this in a previous video, and this is amazing for adhering large chunks of glitter or dried flowers or paper. So basically what you're doing is you're pressing while you're curing, so it keeps the object flush to the nail. And I've had so many times where I was just like, oh my God, this is sticking out, the piece of the star, the piece of whatever, the piece of the flower. With these little silicone heads, it makes it flush to the nail as it's curing. So that was a game changer. I recently purchased a few of their gel art liners. I didn't have any of these in my collection, and these are the pastel colors. They are absolutely beautiful. They sell for about $11 a piece, but when you see the quality, I love how fully opaque they are. And it has like a medium viscosity to it, because I've had some gel liners that are runny, some that are too thick. The packaging alone is just like, wow, look at those butterflies. I don't even want to throw them out. And they also include an extra brush. So that pretty much concludes today's video, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'm so sorry. I'm so sick and still recovering from COVID. Please don't forget to use my coupon code so you can save a little bit of money with Profiles Backstage. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.